everyone. This time we're going to have a new lesson and we're going to have new vocabulary. I know we have taken some vegetables before in the last class. Anybody would like to remind me of some words related to vegetables and food? Yes, Muhammad? That's really good. Alright, now today we're going to have new words related to fruit. Okay, and they are very simple and easy. I know you already know all of them, but we're just going to make sure that we know them very well and we know how to use them. Now let me ask you, what kind of fruit do you like to eat? Yes, Mona? That's very good. How about you, Hanan? That's really nice. Okay, all of these fruit that you mentioned are really great, and we're going to have some fruit, new fruit for the day. But before we have the new fruit, I'm going to divide you into teams, and every team you're going to listen to a video, you're going to watch a video, and any fruit that you're going to hear, I need you to write it down together as a team. Okay, are you ready? Now you take these cards and you're going to set with the fruit that is similar to your name. Like for example, if you found the word orange or the word apple on the card and you need to go around and search for someone else who has the same card that you have. Okay, ready? Let's go. It's very good that you sat together as a team very quickly. Now, what we're going to have now is a video. You're going to watch it, and then you're going to write down any fruit that you hear. Let's check the words that you got. Yes, you got apple. Very good. How about you here in this team? Orange. Perfect. And here, you got strawberry. And how about this team? You got bananas. Very good. Now, let's take one of them. Let's have the first one, which is apple. Now help me, what color is the apple? It can be red or, yeah, it can be yellow, it can be green, very nice. Now let's try to draw an apple that is green. Sorry, this one is gonna be red. You can draw green one in your paper. Alright, so let's repeat together. Let's say apple. Apple, very good. Now, this is an apple. Now, let's put the word apple in a sentence. Okay, yes, Ahmed. I like apple. Okay, or very good. I can say I like eating apples. Very nice. Can we have another example? Yes, Peter? That's really good. That's a very good sentence. Alright, now I'm gonna let you, in your teams, every team, you're going to write 2 sentences with the word apple in it, and then I'm going to go and check every team what you've written. Okay, excellent job everyone. Now let's take another word and we're going to do the same. Who got another word? Bananas. That's really good. Now maybe I'm not really good in drawing, but I'm gonna try my best. I don't have yellow to draw with, but let's try it anyways. This is the best that I can do, but you can check the flashcards that I have. Yes, that's a banana. That's really nice. Anybody here likes to eat bananas? Yes? Okay, anybody here doesn't like to eat bananas? Okay, that's really good. Now let's say together, banana, banana. Very nice. Now I want a sentence from any of you. Okay, Peter doesn't like to eat bananas. Okay, Peter. Alright, now in your teams, I want you to write 2 sentences with the word bananas. Okay, that's very good. Now let's have The same words for orange. Okay, very good. Now let's have the word orange.